Hi there, my name is Lindsay Vasahi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my 5-minute makeup routine. First of all, I'm going to apply my Labello lip balm. Next, I'm going to use the Sorbet BB cream in 01 Light, and I'm going to apply it with my beauty blender. I'm just going to make sure everything is blended in nicely. Going to use a little bit more. And just blend it in. Next, I'm going to use my Essence concealer, which is in 05 Ivory. And I'm just going to blend it in with my beauty blender. Just going to make sure that's all blended in as well. I'm going to just apply a little bit more. I'm going to set my concealer with my Rimmel Stay Matte powder. And I'm going to use my powder brush. And then I'm going to set the rest of my face with the powder as well. And just blend everything in nicely. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild eyeshadow in Cream Brulee E251A. And I'm going to apply it with my Color eyeshadow 313 brush. And I'm going to apply the eyeshadow on my eyelids. For mascara, I'm using the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. And for my eyebrows, I'm using the Essence Eyebrow Stylist Set in Natural Blonde. And I'll be using this shade. For blusher, I'm using the Essence Matte Blush. And this is in 10 Peach Me Up. And I'm going to apply it with a blusher brush. And this I apply on the apples of my cheeks. And for lipstick, I'm going to use the Catrice Tinted Lip Glow Balm. And to set my makeup, I'm using the Maybelline 24 Hour Superstay Makeup Locking Setting Spray. And that is my 5-minute makeup routine. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!